Welcome to the YouTube channel AR Education Academy Nanded. On the occasion of Independence Day, here are some of the tips for writing your essay competition. Hope it will helpful for you to write the competition or even to give your Independence Day speech with the help of these following tips. Our Ministry of Education organized one essay writing competition, and the entries you can give today itself. So one of the essay competition, the level which is shown here, the topic Atmanirbhar Bharat, Swatantra Bharat. Have you participated yet? If so, here are some of the competition tips how to write your essay and grab your prizes. One of the online essay writing competition you can participate, and I'm sure that after taking the help from this you will get benefit from it. So some of the top subtopics under the main topic for essay writing competition, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat, Swatantra Bharat, are as follows. Yes, here is the points. You can take help to write your essay competition, that the main topic Atmanirbhar Bharat, Swatantra Bharat. In that, again I am repeating the subtopics under the main topic for writing essay competition is helpful for you. Hope students you will get a link from it. The National Marching Towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, India at 75. At the time period of 75s, you can take the points to write your essay competition. Secondly, Atmanirbhar Bharat through Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. And the next points you can add in your main topic, that is Digital India, the opportunities in COVID-19 and beyond. Atmanirbhar Bharat, role of a student in national development. Here again some of the points, some of the subtopics are given here. You can take the help from it for writing your essay competition. One of the other subtopic is Atmanirbhar Bharat, independence from gender, caste and ethnic biases. The next point is Atmanirbhar Bharat, making of a new India through biodiversity and agricultural prosperity. These topics can help you to write your essay. The next is, while I exercise my rights, I must not forget to undertake my duties to assure in an Atmanirbhar Bharat. You have to take the initiatives. If you are having a rights, so what kind of rights you can take as a citizen of India? So while I exercise my rights, I must not forget to undertake my duties to assure in an Atmanirbhar Bharat. Again, the next is, my physical fitness is my wealth. You can add that will build the human capital for Atmanirbhar Bharat, and also conserve blue to go green for an Atmanirbhar Bharat. It's a very good subtopics are given here, and the students who are interested to participate in the essay writing competition initiative of Government of Education, the below link it is given here. Student may submit their entries on the link below by the August 14th. 15th August is the most memorable day. It is the day we got freedom from colonial rule. So, here I once again thanks for watching. Wish you all Happy Independence Day from AR Education Academy, Nanded. Please subscribe my channel, share, likes and comment.